Here are some common technologies and tools that you might run into in the ecosystem of this architecture. Over time, there's been many different engines, many different tools, many different processes. What we see here is a combination of some that are more modern and even what some enterprises are beginning to adopt, as well as some more familiar ones like Spark and custom scripting. The landscape of tools is rapidly evolving, especially since the number of upstream data sources has grown exponentially. Over time, we see organizations converging towards tools on this screen. Today, Spark and third-party ETL tools like Airbyte are commonly used for the landing process or the ingestion of data, while Spark, Databricks, and dbt are tools that are used for data transformations.